Hey, bookkeepers, it's Trudy from Maven. Today we're talking about one thing that none of us wants to admit: mistakes. Yep, even the best of us screw up, but the difference between the pros and the amateurs isn't if you make a mistake, but how you handle it. So start by getting over the embarrassment and taking action. And you can make your first action actually taking a second to hit that subscribe button. Anyway, step one, own it immediately. If you mess up, don't hide it. Don't spin it, and definitely don't wait for your client to find it. For example, you send a financial report before it's ready. Now your client has the wrong numbers walking into a meeting. The right move, call it out fast. I realized I sent you preliminary numbers by mistake. Please use this corrected version. That honesty protects your credibility far more than your silence ever will. Step two, fix it quickly and clearly. Accountability without action is just talk. It's like an apology without change. 100% meaningless. So, reconcile the error. Send corrected documentation with a clear note, like this replaces the prior version. And if the timing is tight, offer to personally update the affected party, even if that means you've got to call the CPA, banker, or the board member on behalf of your client. Step three, learn and prevent. Every mistake is an opportunity to shore up your systems. So if you're rushed, build in a review process. If you overlooked something, add a checklist. If tech glitched, create a double check routine. Mistakes don't just damage credibility, they point directly to where your systems need a stronger process. Step four, protect yourself with insurance. Even with accountability, big mistakes are very expensive. That's why professional liability insurance exists in the first place. And if a client suffers damages because of your error, and it happens to the best of us, insurance keeps that one mistake from sinking your entire business. So make sure you take a look with your agent at errors and omissions, that's E&O, general liability, and cyber coverage, because everything you're doing is digital these days. So when you do screw up, and trust me, at some point you will, remember this: own it, fix it, learn from it, protect yourself. Clients don't expect perfection, but they do expect honesty, accountability, and professionalism. Credibility is not built by never making mistakes. It's built by handling those mistakes with integrity. Hey, if this topic resonated, we would love your thumbs up. Up next, start here. That's your build a business checklist. I'll see you there.